Hello YouTube, this is Dawn for DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with some happy mail that I received from Lori Seabrook. I won her little challenge, so I'm just going to show you what the goodies she sent to me, and thank you, Lori. I really appreciate it. For winning, you need to check out her channel. It's about her name, Lori Seabrook, here on the YT. And if you follow her on Instagram, you can find her at Keepsakes by LES. So this is the rosette, that she made. Love the rosette, my colors too. Love that black. Excuse me. I'm gonna open up this card. Pretty, I like that. It says, Dawn, congrats on winning my challenge. Thank you for entering and being one of my subbies. Neighbor, hugs, Lori. You're welcome, Miss Lori. And then she made me this card right here, and she left it blank, so I can use this nice envelope, everything, when I need a card. Thank you, Lord. And it says happy day, so you can use this pretty much for any kind of sentiment. So she sent me some doilies. Oh, wait a minute, look, oh, this is so pretty. You have got to tell me which dies. Look at these. I love both of those. Lord, please let me know which dies these are. Yes, I love these. I'm gonna make a memory decks out of those. Then she sent me some D's. I can use those. Some stickers, and you see the butterflies and the dragonflies and a ladybug. Here's a little cut apart that I can use as well. Oh, and some nice, I like these puzzle pieces. The sizes are really nice. You know what? Because I have some to alter, but they're smaller. But I like the sizes because this is a bigger platform that you can alter. So she sent me 2 of those. And then this is the stamp set that she was giving me for her Memory Decks challenge on her channel. And it says, happy birthday, happy B-Day. Thank you, happy mail, I love you, ink. And it's got 2 little chicks, and they got the little different faces that you can do, a speech bubble. And this one says hi. You got a cell phone, happy mail 123 Smile Street, a letter and an open letter. And you got the what do you call it? Excuse me, like the calligraphy pen. This says a little message to say, I love you. Instead of texting, I made this card because I love you, sending things. Happy Valentine's Day, smiles and love. Cute stamp set, Lori. Sorry about that little glare. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Make sure you go check out her channel. Tell her that Dawn sent you. Her name is Lori Seabrook. She loves to do flowers and all types of different things. So check her out, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.